Hi, welcome back on It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up the screen timeout in your Samsung Galaxy M15. To do this operation, slide up, go to settings here, search for a display, scroll down and search for the screen timeout. Yeah, that's it. So the standard option is 30 seconds. You can set up for the 10 minute, 5 minute, wherever. Yep. You can set up for 50 seconds if the 30 seconds is too much for you. It's everything for your own preference. And now you can set up only the keep screen only while viewing, so the phone will see you. And when you always see on screen, the screen will be always keeping on you and enable it. So that's it for now about the screen timeout. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!